Assignment 5, video 5. The last video ended off with us changing the Street G profile to match the elevations and stations that I provided on eLearn. In this video, we'll create another profile for Street A. So to do that, we'll go up to Street A here. And to create a profile, first we click on the profile grid view, or the profile grid. Go up to Profile Creation Tools. Name it to Proposed Street A Profile. And click on OK. This will open up our layout tools. From here, we will just simply click on the PVI, insert PVI. Here we can just simply click on the endpoint and the endpoint to get our profile. Looking on the sheet that I provided on eLearn, we can see that there are 2 additional points where elevations have to be entered. So what we should do right now is go ahead and simply click anywhere in 2 more locations in between the 2 endpoints. That way, when we go to our profile grid view, we have 4 different stations where we can enter the elevations. Now the first one at the start is easy, it's 84.237, and the very end station, the elevation is given as 80.132. Now the 2 middle stations, the stations are not given, so in order to determine that, you have to actually go to the plan. So going down to the plan view right here, there are a couple of ways that you can determine the station over here. One is to simply measure the distance between endpoint to endpoint. To do that, you just start the distance command in endpoint and endpoint, and you could see that the station is 128.602. Second way to do it through Civil 3D, and significantly easier if there are curves and bends involved, is to simply, hit escape to end your selection set first, click on the line, or the alignment, go up to add labels, then you go to your station/offset. Once you click on that, you can simply click on the endpoint. When you click on the endpoint, you can see that, and then hit escape to end your command. But this label gets added, and you can see that it says the station is 0 plus 128.60. Now it's only to 2 decimal places, and it should be to 3. So to edit that, you click on it, you go up to your label properties, go to label style, edit the one here, go to edit, and this should look familiar where you have to click on this right here, the 3 dots. Take a look at your precision for your station value. You can see the precision is only 2. So once you highlight that, this will show up. Then you can switch this to 3 decimal places and send it over. The P precision turns to 3. You click on OK, apply, OK, click on OK over here, and you can see that this station changes to 128.602. So you have 3 decimals. Knowing this, we can go back to our PVI station here. Remember, this is our profile grid view. Change this to 128.602, and then go to our elevation at that station and location. This should be 8307. So for our next station, we need this point right here. To get that elevation, you can either add another label if you like, or you can take this label here, click on the grip, and simply drag it. And if you notice, if you drag it slowly, the station changes as you go. So once you drag it and you drop it at this endpoint here and hit escape, you can see that the station changes to 618.456. Now you can simply just type in 618.456 and change the elevation to 80.54. Once those get changed, now we can go to our profile Street A and take a look and make sure that these have been changed. 80.54 at 618 and station 128, 83.070. So this is how to create a brand new profile using the information and how to determine stations using the alignments on your plan. This concludes video 5 for assignment 5.